Hey guys, so I am making this video to introduce you to my new car paid for by O2 Worldwide. Yes, you may have been hearing about O2 and seeing the videos that I've been making over the last 2 years. Well, the company came out with a car bonus a couple of months ago, and I said, oh, I gotta get that. And so I want to introduce you to, I need to give my car a name. I need to give it a name. I don't know. I'm going to think of it. Maybe I'll call her Abundance. Ooh, maybe that's her name, Abundance. Anyway, so I'm really excited because I don't like car payments. I've actually been buying cars from the auction over the last years, many years, just because I just did not want a payment. But I figure if the company is going to pay for it, then hey, let me go ahead and do what I do. So first of all, I love the color. It's brown, but it's a special kind of brown color, they call it. And inside is two-tone, and it has the multimedia package, which I do not know how to work, but I will, I'll figure that out. So you can press the button, hold it right here, and say, oh, wait a minute, see? Hello? Radio. Well, you can talk. You can talk to it. I'm still trying to figure this out. Maybe I need to start it up. Hold on. Let me see. Phone. Well, maybe I need to start it up. But anyway, so I'm still trying to figure that out. Here's the book down here. I gotta read that. But so you can control the radio right there. You can talk to the car. You know, but everybody, y'all probably already have cars like this, but this is my first fancy car. Oh, and then it has the panoramic sunroof, so it's up here and also in the back. So that's pretty cool. So I am grateful. That's why I tell you, when you work your business, you got to be consistent. If the company puts out perks and incentives like that for you, go ahead and, let me turn the volume down. Go ahead and take advantage of what's out there. But I think one of the things that one of the downfalls that people have in network marketing that maybe will make them not as successful as they could be is lack of consistency. If you are just consistent and don't stop working your business, always be on, don't have that start-stop mentality, you'll be able to hit the ranks that you want to hit, and you'll be able to get the car bonuses and the lifestyle bonuses and all the different things that the company has for you as a perk as you build and grow your business. So thank you to O2, Dan Putnam, the O2 Worldwide corporate family, and my team. Thank you, awesome big group billionaires in training. We got a lot of other great things coming with O2 Worldwide, guys, so stay tuned. Big product launch on November the 5th of 2018. That's going to be huge. Contact me. I'll get you the number for that, so you can be on that product launch call. We got new branding coming, new apps and websites, just all kinds of good stuff. Okay, so give me a call, 443-864-9440. I would love to help you to get yourself a car paid for by the company as well. Get yourself your O2 Worldwide car bonus.